Hello, this is Gameli, RevitTunes.com. This is the continuation of Revit MEP, and we are placing now the non-hosted air terminals. And let's go to level 1, and let's zoom in this corner. Now let's look on the properties here. That's the space. I touched the space. So let's see the properties of this space. And the space, already the calculated supply airflow should be 1457. And obviously I don't have any diffuser placed yet. Let's change the scale to 1/8 right here. I have to zoom again because I changed the scale and it's on wireframe. I swap it to just to see if the space is turned off. That's why we don't see it. The space and zone is turned off. I don't care because I could touch it and highlight it. If I don't see the color, it doesn't really matter. I could work like this with wireframe. And now let's open the schedule we create, the airflow schedule. So this is Sony Legend schedules, and I opened the wrong one. I should open the other one. I'm gonna close that one, close this. Airflow, this is the one we did, and I think I have only two views open, so I could put tile those two. Oh, actually I have 3. Level 2, I don't need level 2 right now. I'm gonna work on level 1. So I close level 2 and tile again. View, tile views. And right here, let's look what room is this. I will zoom in this room, and this is the space number. It will flag space instructions number 15. So it's on level 1 because it's 115. So is this. So when I touch it, I highlight it and it tells me it needs this much. I have put 0, so I still need this much. Alright. So let's place some air terminals. I need to deselect everything. Okay, so air terminal, and now this has to be like non-hosted air supply. So right here I have supply diffuser, rectangular face, round neck, and the bottom is the same, but the bottom it says hosted, and actually this one is 8 inches neck and this is 6 inches neck. So we need the one is not hosted. And I will place something here. And if you see, it didn't ask me how to put it because it's not hosted. And actually, I have selected, place it with the tag. And earlier in the previous video, I didn't see this menu. I was trying to place it with the tag included, and I'm not sure why I didn't see it in the previous video, but when you do a hosted, just take a look. Let's take a look right now. This is the hosted, and earlier I tried to put it, and you see there is no menu to tag it instantly, and it's a weird thing. However, maybe if I choose this, which I will use the word plane, it lets me tag it No, actually no, it's gray out. It's weird. It's not. It has different options. Now it's showing options. Well, anyways, in this case we are using the non-hosted. I already placed one and with the tag included, and I could choose if my tag was vertical. I could choose if my tag need leader. I didn't choose a leader, so it just placed it with no leader. Now just with the copy command I could do same as any object, copy, mirror, move, anything. So let's look one more thing. When I select the diffuser, I could go to properties right here, and I could select, I need the one with 8 inches neck and 12 by 12, and actually it says 24 by 24 with 8 inches neck. That's the one the tutorial needs. So right there, and this is the CFM, you can see it here too. And the CFM we are gonna choose it later, I guess. For now I will leave it 500. So let's close this. We'll look at it later again. And now I want to take a look. Maybe I will drag this section to see where I place that, because if I look my properties here, I'm going to highlight it, properties. I place it at level 1 and offset 0. I don't want a net offset 0. I need to offset it a certain height so it's above my feet. So this is my section, and this is where I place, and obviously I don't want it there. So in this exercise it says place it at 8 feet. I could type 8 feet above level 1, or I could move it with the regular move commands. So I could say modify move, and I could click in one spot and move it 8 feet, type it 8 and enter. So now you see if I say the properties here, it's at 8 foot right here instead of 0. It's base reference on level 1 but offset at 8 foot above. So my diffuser will be hanging like that. I'm gonna close the section. I just open and probably move it back to wherever location used to be. I don't need it. It was just to show you this. Now we need to copy some of them, and actually we are going to change the CFM, and this is nice. I could change it here, 360 CFM. I'm gonna zoom a little bit out so I see my room, and I'm gonna highlight and modify copy, and the software said the tutorial said 20 feet. Now I highlight. When I copy, it didn't have a tag, so I could touch this tag, create similar, and it will create a similar tag right on. Now I will copy these two. Obviously the position needs to be decided nicely, maybe in between these lights, but I'm just placing kind of eyeball, and the tutorial say 14 feet away. So now let's put tag. I'm gonna change. Oh no, the scale is fine. I was gonna make it probably bigger scale so I see better my tags. 316. Okay, I changed the scale, but the tag will stay like this because the text is bigger. I'm not gonna fix my tag right now, but I could fix my tag and move it down, or maybe I should do it. Edit family, edit tag family, yes. Please watch the next one, revittunes.com, and the next one will be placing air handling equipment.